Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Samsung Galaxy A03 louder. So at the start we have to open the Play Store, then look for the volume booster app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Good app. So we have to open it, click OK, decide that we want to get notification, and click yes agree or no thank you 3 times. Close this window and OK. Okay, and now the tool is active. If you want to boost your speaker booster, just open it in the background apps, click OK, and use that slider for that. You can see the 60% is max, so just adjust it to your needs, and now if you tap on the app or the home screen, the tool is still active in the background. So if you want to disable it, just open it in the background apps, kill it here, or just open, stop service, and OK. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.